Lucid Motors EV factory is not a converted automotive plant. It was designed from the beginning for one purpose: to build electric vehicles without compromise. Everything starts with intention. Before a single vehicle enters production, Lucid's factory exists as a complete digital twin. Assembly lines, robot paths, timing sequences, and energy flow are simulated thousands of times. Every inefficiency is removed before reality begins. When machines turn on, they already know what to do. Materials arrive quietly. Lightweight aluminum, high-strength alloys, and advanced composites are tracked digitally from the moment they enter the site. Autonomous carriers move components across the factory floor with no wasted motion. There is no rush, no congestion. Precision replaces urgency. The body shop defines Lucid's philosophy. Robotic arms weld and bond aluminum structures with extreme accuracy. Laser-guided fixtures lock geometry into place. Structural adhesives replace traditional methods where strength, weight reduction, and rigidity matter most. Every joint is measured. Every weld is verified. This is not mass production driven by speed. It is performance manufacturing driven by control. Human specialists remain critical. They oversee complex alignments, inspect critical surfaces, and intervene when judgment is required. Automation delivers consistency. Humans deliver awareness. The factory is designed to amplify both, not replace either. Each vehicle carries a digital identity. The factory knows its exact configuration, battery size, motor layout, software profile, interior materials, destination market. Robots adjust automatically. Tools change instantly. No vehicle is treated generically. Paint represents the next level of discipline. Lucid's paint shop operates under ultra-clean conditions. Air purity, humidity, and temperature remain constant. Electrostatic systems apply paint evenly with minimal waste. AI vision systems inspect finishes immediately, identifying imperfections smaller than the human eye can detect. Quality is not checked later. It is protected instantly. Once painted, vehicles move into final assembly. High-voltage wiring, control units, displays, and interior modules are installed with surgical precision. Lucid's vehicles are software-defined platforms. Thousands of signals move through each car. Every connection is tested the moment it is made. Digital systems wake up early. Displays power on. Control units synchronize. Sensors communicate. If behavior deviates from expectation, the system corrects it immediately. Errors do not advance down the line. Battery integration defines Lucid's identity. Battery packs are positioned beneath the chassis with exact alignment. Cooling systems, insulation, and safety layers are integrated as one system. High-voltage isolation testing confirms safety before the vehicle ever moves. By the end of this phase, the vehicle looks complete. But appearance means nothing here, because a Lucid EV is not judged by how it looks on the line, but by how it behaves at speed, under load, and over time. That proof begins next. If you want to continue inside how Lucid turns luxury EV design into real-world performance, make sure to like the video. When a Lucid vehicle reaches the testing phase, the factory's focus shifts. Building is finished. Verification begins. Electric performance cannot be assumed. It must be measured, repeated, and confirmed under controlled conditions. At Lucid's EV factory, testing is not a checkpoint. It is a continuous process woven directly into production. Every vehicle moves through dynamic validation. Rolling road systems simulate real-world driving without leaving the facility. Acceleration curves, regenerative braking response, steering behavior, and suspension dynamics are measured in real time. Each data point is compared against ideal digital models created long before the car existed physically. Electric drivetrains demand extreme precision. Lucid's motors, power electronics, and software operate at high efficiency and high output. Thermal systems are stressed under load. Battery management software is evaluated constantly. Energy delivery must remain smooth, predictable, and safe under every condition. High-voltage safety is non-negotiable. Isolation testing verifies that every circuit behaves correctly. Fault detection systems are validated. Safety layers are tested repeatedly, not once, but many times, because failure at this level is unacceptable. Software becomes the central nervous system. Millions of lines of code govern everything from power delivery to driver assistance. The factory flashes software automatically, verifies synchronization, and simulates user interaction. Displays, controls, and sensors are tested together as a system. Driver assistance systems receive special attention. Cameras, radar, and control modules are calibrated inside controlled environments. These systems must interpret the world accurately regardless of lighting, weather, or geography. Calibration happens here to ensure consistent behavior once the vehicle reaches the road. Comfort is engineered scientifically. Acoustic chambers isolate unwanted noise. Vibration patterns are measured. Seals and insulation are refined. Lucid's focus on quiet luxury means silence must be repeatable, not accidental. Environmental testing pushes limits deliberately. Climate chambers simulate extreme heat and cold. Water tunnels expose vehicles to heavy rain and pressure. Components are aged rapidly using UV exposure. These tests answer one question: will this vehicle perform flawlessly anywhere it is driven? Human evaluators remain essential. They are not testing speed. They are testing feel, steering precision, pedal response, interface clarity. Human perception still defines luxury. Only after passing mechanical, electrical, digital, and experimental validation does the vehicle move forward. But Lucid's responsibility does not end at the factory gate, because electric vehicles evolve after delivery. If you want to see how Lucid's EVs continue improving once they reach drivers, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Before shipping, every vehicle is digitally archived. Hardware configurations, battery data, software versions, torque values, calibration states, and diagnostic results are stored inside Lucid's global systems. The factory does not forget the car, it remembers it completely. Logistics become part of the intelligence loop. Finished vehicles enter climate-controlled holding areas designed to protect battery health and surface quality. Autonomous logistics systems schedule transport by road and sea with minimal handling. Even delivery is engineered for preservation, not speed. Once vehicles reach customers, learning accelerates. Lucid EVs are connected platforms. Over-the-air updates refine performance, improve efficiency, enhance driver assistance systems, and expand functionality without physical intervention. The car you own is not static, it evolves. This evolution is powered by real-world data. Anonymized information flows back from vehicles operating across climates, road conditions, and driving styles. Battery degradation patterns, thermal behavior, software responsiveness, energy efficiency trends. These signals reveal realities no laboratory simulation can fully predict. The factory listens. Engineers analyze patterns across the fleet. Software algorithms are refined. Battery management strategies evolve. Hardware designs are adjusted. Manufacturing processes respond. What happens on the road reshapes what happens on the production line. Electric platforms accelerate this feedback loop. Charging behavior influences future energy architectures. Thermal data reshapes cooling strategies. Driver interaction data improves interface design. Every vehicle becomes a contributor to the next generation. Sustainability is embedded into this system. Lucid's factory integrates renewable energy, energy-efficient robotics, and material optimization strategies. Weight reduction improves efficiency. Waste reduction compounds at scale. Responsibility grows alongside performance. Inside the factory, evolution never pauses. Artificial intelligence continuously optimizes scheduling, energy consumption, and material flow. Digital twins simulate upgrades before implementation. New techniques are tested alongside live production without stopping the line. The factory adapts continuously. This adaptability allows Lucid to refine luxury, performance, and efficiency simultaneously, without compromise. Flexibility is not optional in electric manufacturing. It is survival. The most remarkable achievement is how invisible this complexity feels to the driver. No one thinks about thermal modeling when range remains stable. No one notices software validation when power delivery feels seamless. No one considers torque verification when silence fills the cabin. They simply trust the vehicle. Lucid's EV factory is not just a place where cars are built. It is a system that learns, responds, and improves long after production ends. That is the future of electric manufacturing. Which part of Lucid's EV factory impressed you most? Battery integration, software evolution, or continuous learning after delivery? Leave a comment and share your thoughts.